What if I told you that a single piece of paper, light enough to float in the air, once held the power to store massive wealth in the palm of your hand? No gold, no digital numbers, just a carefully engineered note that could carry 500 euros in value. And even more surprising, the process behind creating this note is so advanced, so precise, that it feels less like printing money and more like building a piece of high-tech engineering. Today, I'm going to take you inside that world and walk you through the complete journey of how the 500 banknote is made, from raw material to finished currency, in a way that feels almost unbelievable. Everything begins long before any machine starts running. It starts in a quiet, highly secure design environment where experts spend months planning every tiny detail. This is not just about making something that looks nice. The design must be beautiful, recognizable, and most importantly, extremely difficult to copy. Every line, every curve, every pattern you see on the note has a purpose. Even the purple color, which defines the 500 note, is carefully selected to make it distinct and instantly recognizable. Designers combine art with science, embedding hidden elements that most people will never notice, but which play a critical role in protecting the note from counterfeiting. Once the design is finalized, the next step is preparing the material. And here's something that surprises a lot of people. Banknotes are not made from regular paper. Instead, they are made from pure cotton fibers. This gives the note its unique texture, that slightly rough but crisp feeling you notice when you touch real money. Cotton also makes the note much stronger and more durable than ordinary paper. These fibers are cleaned, processed, and pressed into large sheets under controlled conditions where temperature and humidity are carefully monitored. During this stage, some of the most important security features are already added. A watermark is built directly into the structure of the paper, not printed on top. When you hold the note up to the light, this watermark becomes visible, showing detailed imagery that is incredibly difficult to replicate. At the same time, a thin security thread is embedded inside the sheet. This thread runs through the note and can often be seen as a dark line when viewed against light. These features are not decorations, they are essential parts of the note's identity. Now comes the stage where things really start to look like money. The large sheets of cotton paper move into advanced printing machines, and this is where the transformation begins. The first step is offset printing, where the background colors and soft patterns are applied. This creates the base layer of the design, including the subtle gradients and textures that give the note its depth. After that comes one of the most important techniques used in currency production, called intaglio printing. This process involves engraved metal plates that press thick ink into the paper under extremely high pressure. The result is a raised texture that you can actually feel when you run your fingers over the note. This is not just for appearance, it's a key security feature because it is very difficult to replicate without specialized equipment. Next, additional details are added using precision printing methods. Fine lines, architectural designs, and tiny microtext are carefully applied. Some of this text is so small that it cannot be read without magnification, yet it plays an important role in verifying the authenticity of the note. Layer by layer, the blank sheet is transformed into something that looks and feels like real currency. At this point, the notes are almost complete, but they still lack one critical element: individuality. Every single 500 banknote must be unique. To achieve this, each note is given its own serial number. These numbers are printed using high-precision machines that ensure no two notes are the same. Along with the serial number, additional codes are added to identify where and when the note was produced. This allows central banks to track and verify each note throughout its life. Now we move into one of the most fascinating parts of the process: the addition of advanced security features. The 500 note includes a holographic strip that changes appearance when you tilt it. This strip reflects light in different ways, creating a dynamic effect that is extremely difficult to copy. There is also color shifting ink used on certain parts of the note, which changes color depending on the angle of light. Under ultraviolet light, hidden elements become visible, glowing in bright colors that are invisible under normal conditions. These features work together to create multiple layers of protection. Once printing and security features are complete, the large sheets of notes are ready to be cut. High-speed, precision cutting machines slice the sheets into individual banknotes. This step requires extreme accuracy because even a tiny misalignment can make a note unusable. Every cut must be perfect, ensuring that each note has the exact same dimensions and alignment. After cutting, the notes go through a strict quality control process. This is where both machines and trained inspectors examine every detail. They check the colors, the alignment of the design, the clarity of the printing, and the functionality of the security features. If even the smallest flaw is found, the note is immediately removed and destroyed. Only perfect notes are allowed to continue to the next stage. Now that the notes have passed inspection, they are ready to be packaged. The notes are counted, stacked, and bundled into organized groups. These bundles are then sealed and prepared for transport. Everything is carefully tracked and recorded to ensure full accountability. The finished notes are transported under high security to central banks, where they will eventually enter circulation. But here's where the story takes an interesting turn. Despite all this effort, all this precision, and all this advanced technology, the 500 note became controversial. Because of its high value and compact size, it made it easy to store large amounts of money in a small space. This made it attractive not only for legitimate use, but also for illegal activities. As a result, authorities made the decision to stop producing it in 2019. However, even though it is no longer printed, the 500 note has not lost its value. Every note that was produced is still valid and can still be used. It remains a powerful symbol of what modern currency can achieve. When you think about it, it's incredible. A simple piece of cotton combined with advanced printing, precise engineering, and multiple layers of security becomes something that holds real value in the world. It's not just money, it's a product of human innovation, where art, science, and technology come together in perfect balance. So the next time you see a banknote, take a closer look. Behind that small piece of paper is an entire world of design, engineering, and precision that most people never notice. And now you know the full journey of how one of the most powerful banknotes ever created came to life, step by step, from raw cotton to finished currency.